Moderation.
Everything in moderation is
Intense yung masyado.
Pare, I want to share to you something. Nung binyag ng anak ko, anak niyo, pero hindi kayo pumunta, di ba? Sorry nyo, pare, may fireworks sa loob ng simbahan. Crazy, right? Tapos ang sabi ni Father, this is the most explosive blessing I've ever seen.
Wow, Carlo! Ako, I coded an app para i-track ang poop schedule ni baby. Every log may notification. Parang delivery apps. Pero for diapers.
You should hang
Ako, I taught my twins to say espresso before mama. Kaya nga madalas kami dito eh. Kosawa ko, basta may kape, may kwento.
My kid, she joined a contest sa grocery. Pare, walang contest.
Teacher said, your daughter's a leader. I cried. Sabi ko, she leads me to breakdowns.
Toast ako sa Zoom gamit baby bottle. Client, wala napansin.
Grabe no? Dati, lakwatsa tayo para takasan ang buhay. Ngayon, we meet up to celebrate it.
Pero look at us now. Same barkada, different battles. Pero lagi pa rin tayong may kwento. Kahit hindi na lagi madalas.
Exactly. And to all the young dads out there, payabangan man or not, you're showing up. And that's exactly the real flex.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh, basta sawa ko, kada kape, may kwento. Cheers!
Cheers,
Cheers,
guys! Oh, next week.
Kita ulit tayo? Oo,
Dito
bro!
rin.
Ay, kailan birthday na anak ko? Next month, pupunta na kami.